write on the paper, and the app will synchronize and save the notes. There is a list of icons at the bottom of the paper, including 4 common colors, 2 thickness options, fast voice recording, and email. Use the pen to click on any of them to make a quick selection. Now, I choose red and a thicker writing style. In the app, we provide 6 common colors and 4 thickness options for you to choose from. You can also select other desired colors from the color palette. Move your fingernail, and the color will change. Flip over the tick button to designate the color. Change the color and thickness either from the app or directly on the paper. If you want to erase part of the note, click the eraser icon. You can choose a different eraser size based on the area size you want to clean. Click the eraser icon again to hide the setting. Find a damp tissue to clean the patterns on the paper. You might notice that the pen icon color changes to the color you choose. Let's try the marker. You can use your fingernail or the pen to draw with it. You can change the page background in the app. The default setting is dots, but you can switch to lines or a blank background. The last icon on the app page is to insert an image. You can take a new photo or select one from your album. You can move it around, rotate it, and zoom in or out. Click Finish to save the image to the note.